Because after all, we are all just pawns in a game of life. But how do we win? Education, knowledge. Through education, it gives us an intelligence of the world around us and changes it into something more meaningful. So what would become of an uneducated child? Would they fall into alcohol, drugs, go down a bad path? How do we help them? Knowledge, giving them the knowledge of the world around us. One thing my father always says is education can get us anywhere. With education, we can strive for the highest points and become anything we want to be. What that means to me is that education can get us anywhere. We can become whatever we want to be, whether it be a doctor, lawyer, an artist, poet, anything. But what does this symbolism mean? How do we get there? Is there a way? Well, like I said, education. Getting the right education and entrusting our future with our teachers and our family, the ones who give us knowledge. Me, when I started Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Te Rangi a Niwiniwa, I didn't really know how to speak Māori. I was just a little white girl that came from a, Pākehā school. And when I was there, everybody was saying, just kia kaha, learn te reo Māori, it'll be easy. And it was. So now I'm a kind of fluent Māori speaker, and I have one in my game of life of learning how to speak te reo Māori, the language of my ancestors. So, what would become of an uneducated child? Nothing. But education gives us an intelligence of the world around us and changes it into something more meaningful. So thank you.